Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So this is a part of the Recon series. So in this video, we'll try to find the subdomain of a particular website. So this video is all about subdomain discovery. So particularly, though there is a lot of tools to find subdomains, particularly in this video, we'll focus on Subfinder. Now, many of you might struggle to install the Subfinder. So in that case, let me guide you how to install the Subfinder. So basically, to install the Subfinder, first of all, you have to install the Golang. So how to install the Go? So I will attach this doc file in the description box so that you can follow along. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open your terminal, and then I will recommend you to do it from the root user. So if you are a normal user, simply if you type sudo su, and you can easily switch to the root user. So I'll recommend you to do that. So once you're in the root directory, simply what you have to do, first of all, just copy this whole comment, and then paste it in here, then press enter. It will take some time. Okay, so once the procedure is done, then the next command what you have to do, simply copy this comment from here, and then paste it in your terminal. Then it will again take some times. After the procedure is complete, then again what you have to do, now this portion is very important. So I hope you are in the root directory at this time, and then what you have to do, simply you have to run this command, mousepad.profile. So okay, let me copy this, Control C. So after completing these two steps, simply you have to run this command. So just paste it in here and press enter. So it will open up the editor, and then what you have to do, simply, so in your case, you might have first 9 lines or something else. So simply what you have to do, you have to copy these 3 lines. Okay, you have to copy these 3 lines and then paste it in here, paste it in the last portion. Okay, so after paste it in here, just save it, just save the file and then close it. Okay, so once the procedure is done, then simply you have to run this command, source.profile. So once you have completed this whole procedure, that means your Go is installed. So once the Go is installed, simply just type Go. If you got this kind of output, if you got some, you'll get some output like this. So that means your Go is successfully installed. Then you can easily install the Subfinder. So in order to install the Subfinders, what you have to do, simply copy this command and paste it in the terminal. Okay, so after copying and pasting the terminal, it will take some time to install the Subfinder. So once the Subfinder is installed, simply write Subfinder in the terminal. Simply write Subfinder and then press enter. If you got something like this, that means your Subfinder is successfully installed. I hope if you follow this command properly, then I think you won't have any problems to install the Subfinder. Okay, so once the Subfinder is installed, next you can use it to find out the subdomain. So how to do that? Simply to find out the subdomain, you have to write Subfinder and then -d to enumerating domain, and then name of the site. So in this case, I am taking tesla.com. Okay, if I press enter, it will have started to. So what is the command? First of all, you have to write down the Subfinder, then you have to put -d for enumerating the subdomain, and then name of the target. And once you press enter, it will take some time to give you the output to find out the subdomain. Just wait for a bit. So we got about 761 subdomains. So these are the subdomains. Okay, So and one more thing you can do. So if I want to see from where Subfinder is collecting these subdomains, I can also see that. Simply you have to write Subfinder, press -d, and the name of your target, and then simply press B, small v, sorry, it's v, basically -v. And if you press enter, you can see from where this Subfinder is collecting the subdomains. So see, it is collecting the subdomains from the alien vault, and then hack a target, and then there is another one, leak ix. So from this website basically, Subfinder is collecting the subdomains. Okay. Now let's say if particularly I only want to I want just from this website to find out the subdomains. I mean, I want particularly to get the subdomains from this particular website. I can also do that if I want. So what you have to do in that case, simply write Subfinder and then -d, then tesla.com, name of your target, and then you have to write -s, and then name of the website from where you want to get your subdomain. So let's say in my case, what I would like to give is, let's say from this particular website, I want to get the subdomain. So simply you have to write it down. So simply I copy paste in here. So in this case, what will happen, that in this case now we will get the subdomains particularly from this website. Okay. If I press enter, now we got just 363 subdomains, because in this case, because I only use one website to get the subdomains. Okay. So we got the subdomains 361 from crth.com, from this web, crtsh, from this website. Also there are some more usage of Subfinder. So if you simply write Subfinder -h, then you will get how to use Subfinders. Okay. So this is all about the Subfinder. If you find any difficulties to install the Subfinder, let me know in the comments. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.